morning, children. In this chapter, Tick, 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 we are going to learn a very important thing, and that is how to change 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock and vice versa. Now, why is it important? Beta, it is very important because in normal day-to-day life, generally we are used to 12-hour clock. But when we see the train timetable or we see the train ticket or the air tickets and many other places, you will see 24-hour clock time is used. So in this video, children, we are going to learn how to change 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock and vice versa. And it's not difficult. We have to remember a few things and we can do it easily. So let's go to our PowerPoint presentation. Changing 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock and vice versa. So children, every day is supposed to start at 12 midnight. So at night, when the clock strikes 12, that is the time when the previous day ends and the next day starts. So in 24-hour clock, we write that time as 0000 hours. In 24-hour clock, we use 4 digits to express time. For example, this is a way to express time in 24-hour clock. The first 2 digits represent hours and the next 2 digits represent minutes. Since the day starts at 12 midnight, so 12 midnight in 24-hour clock is written as 0000 hours, or it can also be written as 2400 hours. When we write it as 2400 hours, it means that 24 hours of the previous day are over. And when we write it as 0000 hours, we mean that a new day has started. Now 1 a.m. it means 1 o'clock in the night is written as 0100 hours in 24-hour clock. 2 a.m. it means 2 o'clock at night is written as 0200 hours in 24-hour clock. 3 a.m. it means 3 o'clock at night is written as 0300 hours in 24-hour clock. Now 4 a.m. that is 4 o'clock early in the morning is written as 0400 hours in 24-hour clock. 5 a.m. or 5 o'clock in the morning is written as 0500 hours in 24-hour clock. This is how we go on till 11:59. 11:59 in the afternoon is written as 1159 hours in 24-hour clocks. 12 noon is written as 1200 hours in 24-hour clock. Now, 1 p.m. in the afternoon is written as 1300 hours in 24-hour clocks, or we write it as 1300 in 24-hour clock. The reason is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, or what we call as 1 p.m. is actually the 13th hour of a day. See children, till 12 p.m., 12 noon, till 12 noon, 12 hours have passed since the day started. Now, at 1 p.m., it is the 13th hour of the day. So, in 24-hour clock, we write it as 1300 hours. 2 p.m. or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, since it is the 14th hour of the day, it is written as 1400 hours in 24-hour clock. 3 o'clock in the afternoon is actually the 15th hour of the day, so it is written as 1500 hours or 1500 hours. Same way children, 4 o'clock in the evening is the 16th hour of a day, so it is written as 1600 hours. 5 o'clock in the evening is the 17th hour of the day, so we write it as 1700 hours, and so on. We go on till 11 and then 12. 12 o'clock at night is 2400 hours. So for children, for changing 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock, starting from 1 p.m., we have to add 12 2 hours. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 1 p.m. is 1300 hours. 12 plus 2 is 14. So 2 p.m. is 1400 hours. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 3 p.m. is 1500 hours. 12 plus 4 is 16. So 4 p.m. is 1600 hours. Same way, 12 plus 8 is 20. So 8 p.m. is 2000 or 2000 hours in 24 hours. So since 12 plus 8 is 20, so 8 p.m. is 2000 hours in 24-hour clock. Since 12 plus 10 is 22, so 10 p.m. is 2200 hours in 24-hour clock. Same way children, since 11 plus 12 is 23. So 11 p.m. is 2300 hours in 24-hour clock. In this slide, we are going to learn how to change 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock time. See children, you can see that for in 12-hour clock time, we use AM and PM. In 24-hour clock time, we do not use AM and PM. Instead, we write hours. In 24-hour clock time, we use 4 digits to express time. The first 2 digits tell us the hours and the next 2 digits tell us the minutes. The day starts at 12 midnight, and that is the reason 12 midnight can be written as 0000 hours. It can also be written as 2400 hours, since the previous day finishes at 12 midnight and the next day starts. So this is how we can write 12 midnight. Now 12:15 a.m. is the time 15 minutes after the day has started. So this time is written as 0015 hours. It shows that 15 minutes have passed since the day started. 1:40 a.m. This is the time which is 1 hour 40 minutes after the day starts. So this time is written as 0140 hours. 9:55 a.m. This is the time in the morning, and this is written as 0955 hours. 11:59 a.m. We write this also as it is, and we write hours with this. So this time is written as 1159 hours. Now comes 12 noon. 12 noon is the time 12 hours after the day has started. So we write it as 1200 hours or 1200 hours. Now children, you have to pay attention. 1 minute after 12 noon will be 12:01 hours. Now this is 12:30 p.m. Now this time is written as it is, and hours is written with it in 24-hour clock time. So 12:30 p.m. is 1230 hours. Now 1:05 p.m. Now when 1 o'clock or 1 p.m. is there, that is written as 1300 hours in 24-hour clock time. 1 p.m. is written as 1300 hours. Why? Because 1 p.m. is the 13th hour after the day has started. And when did the day start? The day started at 12 midnight. So 1 p.m. is the 13th hour after the day started at 12 midnight. So this is written as 1305 hours. Now children, 1 p.m. onwards, you have to do something which is very important. For changing the time from 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time, you will have to add 12 to the hours digits. That is the reason 1 plus 12 is 13. So this time is written as 1305 hours. Now 3:15 p.m. we have to add 12 to 3:15 p.m. Now since it is p.m. and it is after 1 p.m., again we have to add 12 in the hours. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So in the 24-hour clock we will write 1515 hours. 5:23 p.m. Since it is p.m. and since it is after 1 p.m., we will add 12 to the hours and this will be 1723 hours. 7:19 p.m. Again we will add 12 to hours and 12 plus 7 is 19. So the time will be 1919 hours. 10:05 p.m. Since it is p.m., we will add 12 to 10 and we will get the answer as 2205 hours. Now 11:03 p.m. Since it is p.m., again we will add 12 to the hours and the answer will be 2303 hours. 9:37 p.m. Here also we will add 12 to 9 and the answer would be 2137 hours. So children, whenever you are converting 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time, you have to pay attention to one thing. After starting from 1 p.m., we have to add 12 to the hours and then write the time. Okay, let us move to the next slide. In this slide, we will change 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. Now, in the last slide, I told you that 0000 hours or 2400 hours is 12 midnight. Children, remember it. The one day starts and the previous day ends. Okay, 12:15 hours. Now 12:15 hours is 12 hours 15 minutes after the day has started. So 12:15 hours will be 12:15 p.m. Remember this children, it is 12:15 p.m. It is not a.m. If it had to be a.m., then here we would have got 0015 hours. It would have shown us that only 15 minutes have passed since the day has started. But since here it is showing 12:15 hours, it means 12 hours and 15 minutes have passed since the day started. So 12:15 p.m. has come with this time. Now 140 hours.
This shows that 1 hour and 40 minutes have passed since the day started. And you know that from 12 midnight to 12 noon we write AM. So when we convert this time, the answer would be 1:40 AM. 0955 hours. This shows that 9 hours and 55 minutes have passed since the day has started. So when we change this into 12-hour clock, the time would be 9:55 AM. Now here 11:59 hours. Now this time is 11:59 AM. Since from 12 midnight to 12 noon we have AM, and this time 11:59 AM is 1 minute less than 12 noon beta. So AM will come with this time. Okay, 1200 hours. This shows that 12 hours have passed since the day started. So 1200 hours means 12 noon. And generally, children, we do not write AM or PM with 12 midnight and 12 noon. Okay, 12:30 hours. Now remember, after 12 noon, we write PM till 12 midnight. So 12:30 hours will be written as it is, and we will write PM with it. So the time would be 12:30 PM. 13:05 hours. Now this is the time when we will have 1 o'clock. So 5 minutes past 1. So this will be written as 1:05 PM. 15:15 hours. Now children, when 1300 hours will start, to change time from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock, we will subtract 12 from the hours digits. So we subtracted 12 from 13, and that is the reason we got 1. And this we have to do starting from 1300 hours. That is 1 PM. Okay. Now this is 15:15 hours. So we will subtract 12 from 15 and we will get 3:15 PM. Why we will get 3? Because 15 minus 12 is 3. Okay. 17:23 hours. Again we will subtract 12 from 17 and we will get 5:23 PM. Whenever we are subtracting 12, children, remember, it will be PM only. See, in all the above three places we have written PM. Okay, 19 hours. Again, 19 is more than 13. So we have to subtract 12. So this is 7:19 PM. 22:05 hours. When we subtract 12 from this, 22 minus 12 is 10. So the answer is 10:05 PM. 23:03 hours. Again we will subtract 12 from this and the answer would be 11:03 PM. 21:37 hours. Now we will subtract 12 from this and the answer would be 9:37 p.m. So children, please note, wherever we have subtracted 12 from the hours digits, we have written p.m. Okay? I hope children, you would have understood how to change 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock and vice versa. I request you to practice these two as many times as possible so that you become efficient, because this is something which will be used throughout our lives. No matter whether we are studying maths or not, this will be used. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.